Okay, starting again. Start with this side. 67 GTO. Pontiac GTO. 1972 Dodge Charger Rally. Camaro, it doesn't say what it is. See, there's a thing on the seat or something. Nope. 71 Olds Cutlass Supreme. 71 Olds Cutlass Supreme. Another 67 GTO, I believe. Unless it's a 66. 65 GTO. I was off. This is 1994 Pontiac Trans Am. '16 Chevy Camaro. '72 Chevy Chevelle. '2006 Pontiac GTO. 2014 Ford Mustang. Nice. I should enter my car in a car show. No. '2011 Chevy Camaro. We have 2015 Corvette. 2016 Dodge Hellcat Challenger. Nice. 2001 Ford Mustang. Here, folks, we have a 1970 and a half Ford Falcon. Did not know those existed till today. '68 Chevy Corvette. That's a 68. Wow. We have a 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. 1968 Chevelle. Go big red car. 51 Chevy Deluxe Fleetline. 65 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. 1965 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. 68 Dodge Super B. Ooh. 1990. 83 El Camino Caballero. Oh my gosh. 1985 Pontiac Fiero. 77 Chevy Corvette. 2012. Anyway, 2017 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport. Is that? 1971 Dodge Duster. Also known, I believe, they also called this the Dodge Demon. I think. Pontiac Firebird. Ooh, 2007 Dodge Charger. Nice. 84 Chevy C10 truck. 1966 Ford F100. I almost said Chevy. My bad. 1931 Ford Coupe. Chevy Coupe, I'm sorry. 1931 Chevy Coupe. 1973 Dodge Challenger. Hey, let me get a wide view of that one. 73 Dodge Challenger. And the last one, Ford Fairlane, 1956. I almost said 55. 56 Ford Fairlane. And that's all we got.